A mechanical gaming keyboard with tactile clicky keys. RGB lighting, a must-have for every gamer on the rise to the top. But is a Razer Black Widow Chroma V2 worth? Let's find out. I'm Hector, and welcome to another installment of Quick Bite Boosted Gaming Edition, where we give you our truthful, unbiased, unsponsored opinion. And today we're going to be talking about the Razer Black Widow Chroma V2 gaming keyboard. My first initial thoughts on this is that I really like the design. It's matte black finish, it's sleek design, it's what really appealed to me. Now, it also has some weight to it, so you know you're not just getting any average $20 keyboard out there on the market. Now, my first initial thoughts opening the box is I really like the design. It's matte black finish, sleek looking design, really appealed to me. Upon lifting the keyboard, you find a wrist rest. Sleek looking design as well, very comfortable. As a personal choice, I don't really use it because when I'm trying to game and I have to use my pinky to go down to control, to hit control or shift, it kind of gets in the way. So me as a personal preference, I don't really use it. So there are three types of Black Widow V2s. There's a green, orange, and yellow switch. Honestly, it's all a matter of preference and what you like in a mechanical keyboard. For example, if you're a gamer, you're gonna be gravitating towards the orange switch because of its silent tactile key. Now you might be thinking, Hector, if you're a gamer, why did you go with the green switch? And well, that's a very simple answer. The truth is, I'm a huge fan of loud clicking keyboards, and since the green switch is tactile and clicky, it was a no-brainer for me. I also want to note that it hasn't affected my gaming performance. I've been using the keyboard for several days now, and I gotta say guys, I love this keyboard. The keyboard connects through a USB, but also has an additional USB and a 3.5mm jack to plug into other devices. Now you also have the option to download some software, which I forgot the name of it, even though I was just looking at my script. Now you also have the option to download some software, which is the Razer Synapse, which I really recommend to get the best user experience out of this keyboard. Through the Razer Synapse, you can customize the lighting through the Chroma configurator to kind of add your own style or flavor to the keyboard, or you can select one of the pre-configured modes, which are pretty neat. Along with lighting control, the keyboard comes with 5 macro keys on the left-hand side that can be programmed to open up an application or execute a combination of keys. The moment everyone's been waiting for, I'm going to give this a Kaiser score of 9 out of 10. It is very well designed and operates exactly how you want a mechanical gaming keyboard to perform. Well guys, I'ma have to say worth. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every Friday and Saturday. I'm Hector, and thank you for watching Kaiser Tech.
I'm just going to start rolling.
Okay. You're rolling.
Yep.
A mechanical gaming keyboard with tactile clicky cleat.